Hey Mythbusters, XX Angel Project XX bringing you an explosive myth. I want to see if the movie XXX State of the Union is actually correct in assuming that you can fire a bullet into a boat full of gasoline and make it explode. In this myth, XXX does that exact thing in order to get away from thugs chasing him. I want to see if that's correct. Here's some video reference. Well, how'd you like that? Well, anyway, get back to me soon. I want to know if you actually use my myth. I hope it's confirmed. Well, anyway, XX Angel Project out.